Hello everyone, welcome to MSP TV. My name is Pranav Shah.
Hi, I am Nitin Manwani.
Together we bring to you
T for Data Center by MSP TV.
So in our first episode, we explained to you what is the data center. If you haven't watched it, you can watch that with the below link.
First of all, long video alert. Today's video will be little longer than our previous video. Today we will learn about planning process of a data center.
Nitin, what do you mean by planning process?
Pranav, you have obviously heard that anything we do, we must plan things ahead, especially in business. Similarly, you need to plan your data center before you actually go for one. And to plan that, there is a process that is what we call planning process.
Okay, so please take us through this process.
The planning process has three key steps. First, planning. Second, reference design. Third, cost analysis.
Come on Nitin, we need more details.
Yes, Pranav, I am coming to that. So, planning. This an obvious but the most overlooked concept. Data center planning and design must be done right from starting. By this, you will be able to give right information in the right sequence to the right decision makers, so that the project of building a data center not only runs smoothly but possibly even exceeds expectation.
So Nitin, this is the standard project process in all the companies that provides data center solution.
Good question, Pranav. The answer is maybe, because different companies have different process. What I am sharing with you is the Schneider Electric project process, since they are best in industry and also because we are their channel partners. So the Schneider Electric project process for the data center life cycle includes a standardized plan phase which consists of 4 tasks around the physical infrastructure, laying the foundation for everything that follows. First task is establish key project parameters to control the system architecture and budget. Start by identifying a business need, then determine the project parameters around criticality, capacity, growth, efficiency, density and budget. These 6 key project parameters set the high level goals for the project.
So in simple language, overall goal of the task 1 is ensure utilize wisely the time of key decision maker like finance, CEO, IT executive, IT operation manager, key lines of the business leader, so that important decisions are made faster.
Yes, Pranav, you are right. So let's move to second task, which is developing a system concept. Basically, the purpose of this task is to choose a general concept using reference design to build a physical infrastructure required for data center. I will be explaining the reference design in detail later in the video. This task involves IT operations, IT executive, facilities executives, facility engineer and experienced consultant with their help. While there are significant number of possible reference designs, the 6 key project parameters will quickly rule most of them out. Once you have narrowed it down to a few, review them for additional considerations such as logistics and vendor reputation.
So the task 1 and 2 are interdependent, right?
Right. Let's quickly move to task 3, which is incorporate user preferences and constraints. This task involves IT operations, network engineers, facilities engineers, data center managers and experienced consultant. In this task, we note down the preference of the end users involved in this task. It is apart from 6 key project parameters. This is important to be done after we close a system concept so that the end users can adapt to the chosen system.
This is a crucial step as this involves the end user.
Right. Let us move to the last task in planning, which is task 4. Determine implementation requirements. This is a very simple task that involves engineers and architects, which involves collecting standards, codes, deadlines, resource assignments, and process requirements. Standard requirements includes regulatory, compliance standards, subsystem compatibility, safety, and best practices. Project requirement includes deadlines, vendors that must be used, and special procurement or other administrative processes.
So in simple language, this task is create a set of rules to be followed above and beyond output of the previous three tasks. Come on Nitin, let us move to the second key step, reference design.
Yes, Pranav, let's go. So the second key step, reference design, is quite simple. The explanation would be a reference design is a system blueprint with a list of attributes such as system level performance specifications along with materials and components. This design could be for a complete data center or for a subsection of a data center such as IT pod, IT room, power plant or cooling plant. It is like how you choose a house plan. For example, you have seen a house and you like design and layout and you share it with your contractor or engineer, and based on your budget, they will let you know what is possible and what is not. Similarly, you choose data center reference design based on your business requirement and your budget. To help you out with this, Schneider Electric has mapped out a simplified way to plan, design, build, operate and assess with data center reference designs. Their catalog of designs enables you to quickly find those that best fit your requirements with minimal adaptations, helping you plan faster, reduce possible risk, and reliably predict future performance. You can mix and match elements such as cooling, power, and redundancy, and see how these changes might impact your design.
So guys, as Nitin said, we are a valued Schneider Electric channel partner, hence we are giving you their reference, and if you need any help in planning a data center, you can reach us. Contact details are mentioned below. But also we would say that you are free to choose any other service provider. The information that we are sharing will enable you to ask the right question to the service provider of your choice, then plan the data center efficiently. Nitin, let us move to the last move, but most important step, cost analysis.
You are right, Pranav. This is indeed the most important step. Here is where most of the project make it or break it. So as it says, it is the cost analysis of building the data center. Just as the needs of a data center vary, so do budgets, which can be the biggest obstacles when building or upgrading data centers. There are several tools that service providers use to determine the cost using deep scientific research and data trending for a wider benchmark to make sure your data center requirements align with your project budget early in the planning stages.
Nitin, can you let us know what are the key parameters based on which the cost of data center is analyzed?
Sure, Pranav. The key parameters are load, redundancy, density, and key power and cooling requirements, the number of racks, the floor space, and overall capital cost requirements. Higher redundancy, for example, is often a top priority, but budget has a direct impact on how much redundancy is feasible.
That is it then. So a quick recap is that the planning is most important when you are going to building and upgrading a data center, and the three key steps are planning, reference design and cost analysis.
Yes guys, that is it for this episode of D for Data Center.
So guys, we hope you have liked the video and find this information is useful. Please like and share the video, and if you have any question related to data center, please comment below. We will answer them in the next video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we will be sharing even more insights about data center and also the latest news of the industry.
Also, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. It's not only the tips and tricks about the power and data center solution, but also the latest offer for our services and product. Link is below.
And do check that our online web store, where along with power backup solutions, we have cool stuff also. Link mentioned below.
Thank you for watching this video till the end.
See you in our next video.